I have a confession or confessions to make. I don't know. I feel like I'm like not in the picture, but I'm here. So, as you all can tell, I suck at posting videos. But I think what it's come down to is I just absolutely I don't like the current style of recording. So I'm gonna try to mix things up in this video. I have a lot of cool new changes that we've done to the car. I mean, this off season I've added the hood vents, fender vents. I got a new car I haven't posted a video on yet, but it's another one next in line of the dream cars that I need to get out the post to show you guys. I'm just not happy of what I've edited. So hopefully I can start experimenting today. I'm actually gonna try to not have a massive workload to go to, be very condensed and concise with what we have planned. And from there, hopefully I can make like a video more akin to what I would want to watch, rather than me just random cuts, turning wrenches, yada yada. Like build a little bit more fun to it. Who knows? We'll experiment. Second on that is that I money shifted the M3. So I missed the shift, went 3-2 instead of 3-4 at Nelson Ledges over the weekend, but the car drove home. So I think everything's fine. It got to a shocking 10,000 RPM, but I'm gonna go through. The plan for the day is compression test, oil change, open up the valve cover to make sure that we didn't spit any shims anywhere and there's not a bomb waiting to go off. And then I think while I have it open, I'm gonna check timing. Realistically, I think if the compression test checks out good, we're straight. The valve cover needs to be done. Just again, time bombs. We don't want a loose shim in there, but I have no ticks, no weird sounds. And I feel like timing is just going to be a peace of mind thing, but I don't see how I would skip timing. But yeah, that's going to be the goal. I'm going to get some cameras set up for some fun angles, but I need to get the car warmed up first for the compression test. And I'll hopefully do something different and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys can see it. It's hard to tell from the viewfinder if this is actually going to be legible for you. All right, let's get this cranking. One 173, 175-ish. Compression's holding well. I don't know if this actually tests how it holds. Okay. All right, one down. Compression test came back good. Call it plus or minus a few PSI, 175 across the board. Yeah, I think fingers crossed, we should be good. We're gonna get this up in the air now so I can drain the oil out. But yeah, I mean, look, that was the best I could have asked for. I knew the car was okay, but it's great to get confirmed and know now that like I didn't blow up another engine, because yes, I've been so bad at posting videos. I blew up my engine last year. I do have a video for it and some content, but I'll try to get it out there eventually. Like I said in the beginning, I'm just uninspired by what I've been recording. But yeah, I'm gonna move you guys back. We'll get this up in the air with the quick jacks and then get back to work. I love quick jacks, dude. I hate setting them up, but then I jacked the car up normally the other day and it makes such a difference. Even setting up is better than a normal jacking process. I'd love to take the time to just replace these panels. Like, those are all fucked. It's just, they're expensive. Oh yeah, she still looks great. You can almost see through it. Beautiful. You tell me how my dog hair gets right there. I hope this is recording so you'll be able to see it. Oil change down. We are set up to take the valve cover off now. Everything seems good. Making good time. Gonna try to cruise through this and on to the next one. All right, I hope this can come through on the camera, but what is this, cylinder 2? Look at that follower. Look how much that is kicked off the actual path. Yeah, it's probably good I didn't run this the second day. So all the shims were intact, but I mean that is dangerously close to not being. Like, I think a little bit longer and that might have actually caused some damage. I'm sure it caused some minor damage, but we'll kick that back over, get everything flipped up, clean this up a little bit, and yeah, but it should be good. I mean, everything else is, she's healthy. That's what matters. Everything else that we need to do is done. Last is there's this really loud clicking, and I'm sure you'll hear it when I'm turning off of center. So you guys are gonna help me out, because it's just me here today. I'm gonna set you up underneath. I'm gonna set you guys up underneath the car and see if we can figure out which side this is coming from and what's doing it. Hopefully it's really easy, really visible, but it's loud. It's progressively getting worse, so something's going. Just don't know what. I'm gonna finish up for the day. We got compression test was good. Everything was good. Oil looked good. I mean, I'm not gonna do an oil sample. I probably should, but it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, compression was the biggest thing. We saw one of the what are those? The followers. One of the finger followers was about kicked off, so that close to spinning a shim and causing an issue. But I mean, besides that, the car seems healthy, seems happy. I have a strip bolt I need to replace for what the valve cover bolts do. Hopefully you guys are able to see what was clicking down there. I haven't looked at the footage yet, so I don't know. But I mean, the rest of that's just gonna be basic assembly. Maybe I'll record another video on once we get this done. But yeah, I hope this one's more enjoyable. I'm hoping that this turns out to be a better close as well. The random voiceovers weren't really it. I don't really know what else to say. Let me know what else you guys think I should check when it comes to the over-rev. Should I be doing a full-on leak down test? Should I go through and I did loosely check timing. It looks still to be on. The exhaust Vanos wasn't releasing. I wasn't gonna fuck with it too much. Yeah, let me know what I missed, what else I should look at, if this style of recording is better. Yeah, thanks guys, appreciate you.